Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's Mako rear bumper for Jeep's 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Before we begin, if your vehicle package includes backup sensors, you will need to purchase the following Mopar sensor mounting brackets prior to the installation to house them. If your vehicle trim is anything other than a standard sport, you will need to purchase the following Mopar license plate light mounting brackets prior to the installation to house them. Step 1. Uninstall your factory rear bumper and disassemble the sensors and lights. We walk you through how to do this in another video linked below. Step 2. Prepare your bumper for installation by inserting the sensor and license plate light mounting brackets and trailer connector. Each sensor and light bracket installs into a specific location and can be identified by their serial numbers. Use this image to help you identify what goes where. Step 3. Install your backup sensors into their location-specific brackets. Simply push them into the bracket until they click into place. Finally, install the sensor cord into the sensors. Next, install your license plate lights, ensuring they're rotated correctly so that they face the license plate. Step 4. Slide the bumper into your vehicle's frame rails. With an 18mm socket, secure it using 4 flat washers, lock washers, and hex nuts. Next, with an 8mm Allen, install the 2 countersunk bolts into the center holes. Step 5. Reconnect the trailer, plate lights, and sensor power cords to the vehicle. Step 6. With a 4mm Allen and the remaining included hardware, install your license plate. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road Mako rear bumper.